threading the machine. Raise the needle by pressing the needle up-down button. Press the lockout key. Raise the retractable thread guide bar. Place a spool of thread on the spool pin and secure the spool with the spool holder. Pass the thread through the guide on the thread guide bar from behind. Pass the thread through the right thread guide. Hold the thread with both hands and pass it under the thread guide plate. Pass the thread through the left thread guide. Draw the thread along the right channel. While holding the thread at the spool, pull the thread down along the right channel. Pull the thread up around the guide plate and along the left channel. Slip the thread into the eye of the take-up lever and pull it down along the left channel. Pass the thread through the lower thread guide from the right to the left. Pass the thread through the needle bar thread guide from the right and draw it to the left firmly. Pass the thread through the slit of the needle threader. Be sure that the thread passes under the hook. Pull the thread up. Slip the thread between the thread cutter and the face plate. Pull the needle threader knob down as far as it will go. Raise the threader slowly so a loop of the thread is pulled up through the needle eye. Pull the thread end through the needle eye. Drawing up the bobbin thread. After using auto thread cutting or threading the bobbin holder, you can start sewing without drawing up the bobbin thread. However, you need to draw up the bobbin thread when sewing gathering stitches, etc. Press the lockout key. Raise the presser foot. Slide the hook cover release button to the right and remove the hook cover. Take out the bobbin. Place the bobbin in the bobbin holder with the thread running off counterclockwise. Hold the bobbin in place with your fingertips so it does not rotate. Guide the thread into the front notch of the bobbin holder. Pass the thread under the guide and pull it to the left. Pass the thread into the guide path mark 1. Leave a 4-inch tail of bobbin thread. Insert the hook cover plate. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine. Hold the needle thread lightly with your left hand. Press the needle up-down button twice to lower and raise the needle and pick up the bobbin thread. Pull both threads 4 inches under and behind.